Welcome to our tutorial on how to download Bluestacks for Windows 10. 1. Open your browser. 2. Open Google and search for Bluestacks. 3. Click on the first link in the search results. 4. Now click on Download Bluestacks 5 button and it will start installing. 5. Open the download location and right-click on the file that you have downloaded. 6. Click on Run as an administrator. 7. Click on Install Now. 8. Click on the Bluestacks icon on your desktop after the installation is complete. 9. Allow all the permissions. 10. Now it will show different icons. Click on the Play Store icon and it is ready to use. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to download Bluestacks for Windows 10. Thank you for watching our guide.